throwing bad vibes at me.
Just gonna get some bags here. We're just filming some content ideas, trying to keep this rolling and fun.
The mic, dude? Okay.
Yeah, I got the mic.
Did you show him about...
Yeah, we just keep it rapping, bro. People want to see us, not this project.
This guy's on Ozempic and he said he can get a boner.
And he's still fat. You want to talk, Austin?
Austin, you know what stresses me out?
You?
The fact that Paul missed the front corner on your goddamn corner. I think about that so much.
I know.
Bad.
All right, so right here we got the guys at work let me take a bunch of rub rail if it works because we have so much of it. And,
Oh man, that's nice.
I think that's clean.
Oh, that is really good.
On that lip on the bottom edge?
Yeah,
I love it. It's the right height.
it looks good. Obviously, we're gonna have to patch, but
That's easy.
man, that's so easy to install too.
Yeah, a little pilot drill, boom, bang, boom.
Love it.
It'll be a
Really
little
clean.
tricky.
It's kind of sexy.
So what
Bring
is
it up
the-
to a curve. Bring it up to the curve.
That's that black boot stripe.
The stainless screws into this.
Yeah, with the taper head. The same screws we use. Yeah, that'll mold.
Oh, that is
Tight,
so
tight,
sick,
tight.
bro.
Oh yeah.
Fucking Rodney Dangerfield in here.
Should we just
Man,
go
that
get
looks
the
like-
rest of it and mount it?
Yeah, and then you just do a bead of silicone
I feel like
or something underneath that.
some sort of washer solution though, just so it doesn't. You know?
No, it
Just do a taper head screw. Get the right size screw on every one, pre-drill.
because not only are these holding it in, but then you drill and put the stainless in. Right?
Oh, there's a stainless cap that goes over this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look dope.
What over this?
Yeah.
That'll look really good.
Oh, it's gonna make it indestructible.
Indestructible.
Until you hit a dock though with the stainless, that's what I don't like about it. If you hit the dock with the stainless, it
It
can
kinks.
rust or scratch. Not a dock, but like metal.
Yeah, which isn't a big deal.
I love that we have that because that is
Not when I'm driving.
hundreds of dollars of rub rail we don't have to buy.
What do you think, Ty?
I think it's a hell of a project.
All right.
Needs some progress.
Shall we get to it?
Yeah.
I think he just picked his nose on camera.
Oh, that's sick. I hope he did. I want to slow-mo that shit.
You got anything to patch gel coat with? You gonna do a little...
Oh, we got to get that out.
Oh, that's crucial to today's work.
What is the goal to be accomplished here
Today we're going to sand the entire fucking boat
And drink a bunch of beer.
and drink a bunch of beer.
Did you ever get the little Milwaukee DA?
No, we have a
That's
$1,000 3M
Oh yeah.
sander that I left in the boat through a rainstorm.
No.
However, the cover held up and we didn't get any water in the boat at all.
Nice
This
cover.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's sick ass.
Yeah, it is. All right, I'll go with the other camera. Do some weird chest shit.
Double the content coming in
Double the
hot.
content, double the fun.
We got power?
Oh, so
Okay.
let's show them the transom and what we have to do back here, because we have. And when you're filming, guys, he's gonna start holding this in his hand and point it towards us so you can hear us without me having to do some weird AI voice enhancements.
Unplugged your lens.
I hate AI videos, by the way. Can't stand
Voice
them.
lop.
A lot of people,
What did it just do?
sadly,
Go slop.
prefer watching like little lizards and chameleons and fake AI crap. We're doing real dude shit here that you can do. And that's cool. When you watch like AI fake videos of swords flying like drones and stuff, it's just like gay.
Here's a question for you, Cat.
Okay, so and
That's
the
gay.
transom here, let me just show you. Shouldn't use the word gay, dude.
Fucking
All
gay.
right. Okay.
Based.
Those words, the f- word, we can't really use in these. Okay, so back here, we ordered the full transom bracket, and I'm talking for a second. We ordered the full
You need
transom
water.
bracket, and one of the cool options was to get a swim platform with it, and we ended up getting a 24-inch deep bracket, so the motor's going to sit back here on a jack plate, so it's really going to sit back here. A 36-inch flotation pod. We're going to have to deal with these, and we're definitely going to have to deal with these. But it's going to be a 36-inch flotation pod that comes down 20 inches to a V, which is going to be sweet.
Doesn't the V line up with the bottom of the hull?
No.
So what? You
The
just
V's going to be right above the drain plug.
take these out, cut some Kusa plugs with a hole saw,
I
stick them in there,
I
and
actually
epoxy them in.
bought home some filler plugs from dashes and boats, and it's like that thick. And then
Epoxy them in
an
there.
85-inch swim platform. So from here, because the boat's 90, they come in 2.5 inches on each side.
Sweet.
And we are going to have a swim platform all the way out for the kids at the sandbar. You name it.
You're basically making it a 25-foot boat.
Yeah, we're taking this 22-foot angler and adding around 30 inches before the motor mounts on it.
Sweet.
I'm pretty excited about that. And the other cool thing, no more antiquated Lencos. And I know Lenco just came out with a new auto trim tab system like everybody else is trying to do, but it's not as good.
Day late and a dollar short, Lenco.
Not as good.
Not as good as Seakeeper Ride. And I ordered a set of 450s for here. They're going to be here this week, and we probably are going to wait till the bracket's on just so we don't damage them while we mount. But we're going to have Seakeeper Ride, transom bracket. That's pretty much it for this back end area. But it's going to be trick. I'm going to make this like a new boat, new tech throughout, but we're still going to have that vintage, beautiful angler that everybody loves. Let's get the sand in.
I'm telling you.
Phased plasma, 40-watt range. No, stop. We're just gonna preheat. You do the inside only, because you don't want to start bringing the whole thing up. Yeah. I think the trick with the heat gun really is to just sneak up on it.
Well, you gotta know where
You start cooking.
You gotta know where you're heating. Look, let's just do this so you get the full effect. And this is a scrap piece that we're just testing with. So let's mock it up.
Yeah, I'm just heating the mid-range.
Yeah, it's gonna be out here.
I know.
Okay, so
Don't matter. What's just a mock up? So Tyler's kind of known for coming over and like putting his fucking stink on our projects and then leaving, and I feel that coming in this episode.
Why the fuck would you go into an existing hole?
oh.
That was crazy shit, dude. Come on.
Hey,
What's the language?
Sorry.
We can't have that shit in our video, bro.
Alright. That was crazy. Stop. You're putting new holes in this boat. You can just line. It's a mock-up piece. Just line it up with one of the existing holes. No?
Use those wire cutters to get that screw out.
Sweet. There you go. Get it out of there. Alright. Try it. Just try it. See, it's like just at the same height. Just hit that hole.
hell yeah.
Forgiato.
We pop it off and get that out.
You know, you really shouldn't use an impact gun on that.
I'm getting
kinda got
such
some
bad
bite
footage
to
right
it.
now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one more in it. See if we can't get another.
Yeah, but why not pre-drill it? You're never gonna make it happen.
You can do it!
You're never gonna make it happen. Pre-drill it. I'm just saying.
This will just.
Ready? Watch this.
What?
And that's how you do it!
Heating up the rub rail.
I think I should probably.
Ty's just kind of going easy with
I
it.
don't want to heat the inside and the outside evenly, you know what
This is really just a test, but
It's kind of weird because not only do we have to bend, this kind of goes on a downward angle, then we have to kind of bend it to an upward angle. So it's
I mean? Somebody
like
come
a
support
dog leg
this
L.
out here for me?
We have just a screw in it to
that is
pin it in
gonna be
place.
a little weird.
It's probably supposed to have cold rags.
Yeah, we're just really learning. We've never done this before, but this is we have 3 points we have to 3 points. 3 points we have to bend at. We're gonna do the bend at the bow. We're gonna split the middle on the bow. I know. And then each corner. Other than that, there's no bends. So we're just gonna practice here so we don't ruin the sticks because I have about
Feel it have any give?
4 sticks. Let's see. Once it starts to go, I think it'll just.
I think we gotta get it higher than that.
Yeah. Are you on low or high?
Oh, there we go.
It
I'm
gets
wondering
hot
why
and
I'm
burns.
sweating over here. I'm getting hot air blown on me.
Good. Let me get out of here. Slow your roll. Poco poco, right?
Icy, bro. Oh, not really. Hate that top.
More heat.
More heat and pressure.
Well, you're way out. You're way out. You need to pull it, Orion. You need to try and pull it forward.
Ready?
I got it in my hand. It's not even hot.
It will be. All right, go easy. Ready? Whoa,
Yeah, we're not hot enough. It's super tough.
Our problem is it's got a huge gap. There you go.
that looks like kind of ass though, you know?
Well, I think if we took these screws out and
Nah.
pulled it that way.
Here's what I think. Can you bend it back out?
I think you got to have a screw on the corner.
Bring it all the way back out. I think we need to heat it up more in there.
Yeah.
I think just heat.
All right, and what you have to do is you have to pull it and kind of almost stretch it.
Twist, pull.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's not hot enough. I'm telling you. Just give it some time.
I can't believe how well it
A little bit of patience.
It's really funny, like, everyone tells you how hard things are to scare you, but if you just try stuff, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Generally, as long as we're not rebuilding a motor, you can handle it.
Well, I put a VFD in the other day,
That's a variable frequency drive.
and I'd never even come close to doing anything like that in my life before. And
How's that?
I literally said, I can just do whatever I
I
want.
feel like we're getting there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah, it's
That's,
tolerable.
yeah.
I mean, I would think that's acceptable.
That's acceptable. 100% acceptable.
Yeah, there's not really any gappage.
Bottom one there. Not bad.
On a new boat, they
You got
just
any-
pack it full of silicone.
Yeah.
Well, and we can do that too.
Put a bead on there? I don't know why you wouldn't.
Yeah, I know. So you don't see the gaps anyway.
Man, I'm digging that. It's crazy how the old option. Just gotta get it hot. Now it's the stainless. It's
The
gonna
stainless will
follow
be
that.
a different situation.
So I wouldn't do anything else or commit to this product until I knew that the stainless was gonna bend around that.
It does.
You'd be able to shape it, make it look nice.
On the Grady,
Some sort of
it
mallet?
goes like this. On a Grady, it does like on the back, it steps down and then curves in. So I think you heat that,
Do they make end caps for this?
and as
product?
you're screwing
Yeah.
it in, you're wailing on it with a
mallet, they make
rubber
some sort of
mallet.
slide over end cap to terminate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. I'm stoked
Yeah.
on that. That's gonna give it a good finished look. And our new angler will be,
Sexy in black.
yep, black and white.
Tuxedo.
And by the way, we're naming the boat.
Dangler.
No.
Nebuchadnezzar.
Oh yeah.
After our last video, you probably get it.
If you don't, watch the Matrix.
Oh! You know the best part about that is we were just talking to us and the mic was up here.
Order today?
Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Alp, and if you don't have some, get some.
Yeah, Tucker Carlson. We kind of live near him. I am a Zen guy myself. Terrible habit I go through. Literally a sleeve. I like to say every 2 days, so it's probably every day. But, you know, self-employment, high stress.
Alright, you want to start marking this up for a cut? Okay.
I'm not stressed.
We got ADD bad right now.
You're stressed.
Like, you know what would be cool?
Loser.